But you're supposed to back up so you don't feel it. But it's like I don't want to stick my nails in you. I don't want to.
All right, now you're not wanting to go, bah! Yeah, that's good. But you're like, oh, I can see it. And so I want you to feel this. So put your hand kind of on this clavicle and watch. I'm going to push this in. So it moves him back. And go ahead and do that to me. So I want you to feel it. Go. Okay, good. Is a stomp. Here's how you do a stomp. I'm going to raise up my foot and stomp. So what I'm going to do is raise up my foot, and I'm going to pull my toes up a little bit so that I'm using my heel. Like you're breaking ice on the ground. So just think of that for a second. Bring your knee up and drop your weight a little bit and drop this heel down like you're breaking ice. And you want to point that heel. All right, where you're going to aim that is as high up on their foot as possible. Boom. Now go light with each other, but aim with each other. Go with your partner, whack, just like that. And then let your partner do it back to you, whack, just like that. And
Should we do both these?
all right, good. So that's what I'm going to do here. Anybody ever play soccer? You just play soccer?
Yeah.
Okay, you turn your foot sideways and swing your foot. She's just going to coming back. Just going to swing it into my shin. Go. Boom. And that hurt. Oh, go ahead, kick it. Ow, that hurts. Okay, so you're going to swing it into the shin. So, lift up and just swing it. If you want to put a little bit more power into it, you can lift it up and push it into the shin instead. So I can just swing it, or I can lift and push it, like I'm stomping the shin. Now, just show the motion with each other on this. But touch the shin. Think about kicking that shin, and then we're going to use this in just a second. All right, go ahead. Partner up. Kick the shins. Good. Kick it. Back. That's very good. Good. Okay? Good.
What am I supposed to kick in the shin? If that doesn't hurt.
No,
Okay.
Yeah. That's right.
See, she's here we go.
kick! There you go.
Okay! Before we start attacking. All right, the knee. So here we go. A knee strike. I'm going to use the back leg for this one. Hands in, tucked in place. We're going to do a front hand punch. Boom. Back hand punch. Boom. Front hand palm. Boom. Back hand palm. Boom. Web hand. Front hand. Back hand. Spear. Front hand. Back hand. We can punch to the middle. Front hand. Back hand. Okay, is that everything we do with the hands? Yeah, okay. And then we can stomp with the front hand, stomp with the back foot. All right, we can kick them with the soccer front, kick them with the soccer foot with the back. Now we're going to knee them. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to lean forward just a little bit. I'm going to raise my knee up to my belly button and put it back. That's all we're going to do so far. Raise it up to my belly button and put it back. Now, instead of raising up straight forward, you're going to rock your hip a little bit while you do it. Just like that. Just like that. All right? Now, we're going to do it into a target. So, yes, go ahead, Michael, do that. I'm going to hold the target, and he's going to raise that in. Boom! Instead of into my belly button, he's going to be thinking through his belly button. All right, good? Boom! Just like that. Try to go, so what I want to do, let you hold the target a different way now. Hold it like a shield, like you're Captain America right now, okay? And hug it real tight to yourself this time. And this side, and lean forward on it, and just throw that knee through this. Ugh. Yeah, keep going. Ugh. Oh, come on. Ugh. That's good. Yes, yes. Good. Do that for a minute.
I don't know if this is just what I know is this passive. Don't tap each other.
What are the other names? I don't know what
Yeah. All right. Run real quick, and would you put the pads back over here? good, and then go right back where you were. Go run, 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 run. You don't have to be perfect, but just go fast, and we're going to start attacking. Is anywhere in here. I do not care if you hit the groin or the knees or the leg. It doesn't really matter. It's all going to hurt. And if you get real lucky, if she's attacking me here, if I'm grabbing her and she pulled me this way, oh, and I'm sideways, you go, oh no, I don't have the front target. She does the knee anyway, and it gets me in the side. It's even worse. This is called the T-band. You ever had any trouble in this area? Yeah. So, I mean, people go to doctors because they have issues with this area. Take your fist and just bop it right in the side of your leg. That is the worst place, just about, you can hit somebody. So if you have presence of mind, when you're shooting that knee in, boom, you may actually aim here, bow, right on that side of that swimsuit, where the swimsuit ends. You'll put someone on the ground. Oh, man's swimsuit ends? I hope I'm not wearing it. So down on the ground right there. Right there. All right, now let's start dealing with some grabs. First grab. Come on in, Claire. I'm going to grab you. You want to grab me first, or you want me to grab you first? You grab me first, and then I'll show. Okay, grab it by the wrist. This is the first attack we're going to deal with, like actual assault. It sounds silly. People think, why would anybody do that? Because they're setting up to hit you in the face. That's what they're doing. So she's going to grab me. Go ahead and let go. And as soon as I do that, she's going to yank me and hit me. Boom. Yeah, that's the attack. All right, it's number one attack. Number one way people get attacked. So we better deal with it. She's going to grab. All right, first just the escape. So don't grab super tight yet. What I'm going to do is if I just start yanking this way, I'm not going to be able to get out of here. But I'm going to do something called kokyu. It's an old Japanese technique. And what I'm going to do is take my wrist, go ahead and let go just for a second, and twist it so my fingers go up. Just like that. Twist my fingers up. Yeah. And kind of pretend like you're going around a bowling ball. Whoop, just like that. Okay, just like that. Okay. And once you do that, then you're just going to fold your hands in and comb your hair. That's the technique. You're going to comb your hair. All right? Go ahead and grab it. If I come, well, I'll let you do it. Go ahead, just do it. Okay, so that. She's bringing it right through this finger and thumb. That's what she's doing. Go ahead. If she does this slow, or she tries to muscle it, it's not going to happen. Okay. But if she just relaxes, and just goes, oop, comb my hair. Fold this arm in and comb my hair. Go. Comes right out. Try that with each other. Go. Yeah.
And I gave him
Comb my hair. You good? All right. Good. Good.
This should be the sweatshirt.
Yeah. You can let her grab on. You can get, I mean, he was gripping me hard. Like, I got red marks on my arm, and you can get out. Yeah. Yeah.
Do it again.
All right, everybody watch now.
Okay, I'm doing you. Yeah. It's like magic. Grab her.
All right.
Let her grab. Just stand there and let her grab it. Be a victim. Be a victim. Be a victim.
Oh, I was in my hands.
I can still do it, but I've done this forever. So, what strike you do? Pick a high strike or a low strike, and then do the technique. And when you're the partner, you can be the partner, don't go hard. Like, just sort of show the strike. And my partner is going to show that it happened. And then when he responds, I'm going to get out. All right?
It's
and
an
then
insurance policy. This technique is really great.
Yeah.
But it's
He
an
grabbed
insurance
me,
policy.
didn't work, boom. Oh, okay. And then I'm out. All right? Try that. I love the web hand. That's really good. All right, good. Thank you. Go.
Okay, so this is your outfit.
Whichever arm you grab, I have to try to get out. But then I have to like try to hit you too. So like when you cross, it's kind of hard to do bone to cross.
Okay. I didn't want to hurt you. Okay.
I don't know this. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like crossing, you want to try to get away, not try to get.
I forgot.
Like, imagine you being a tough guy.
Okay.
So you want to
I'm grabbed. We're gonna go slow.
All right. So
I don't know how to.
pretty good. Now, I grabbed a couple folks down here. Did you feel the difference when you hit me? Here's what I mean. I'm going to grab Claire here. And I'm grabbing like a sort of pretty professional martial artist. Watch. I'm not grabbing like this. Watch what her whole body does. Okay, there, when I grab her, you're going to feel it when I come around and grab. Now, go ahead and do the technique. but don't hit me. Do the technique. Okay, it's pretty heavy. Now, look how, I mean, my hand is red. I'm grabbing her. And I know how to do this real good, like with the back 3 fingers and really make it hard. Her arm's turning red right now. She's going to hit me.
This is why I have
Go ahead. She's going to hit me. Oh, and just for a second, you can feel that it's not as tight. That's what the stun is for. Now, from now on, here's what we're going to do. We're going to add 2 strikes. And this is where you get the magic, right here. I don't care whether you start top or bottom, but when the grab comes on, I want you to hit 1 high and 1 low, and then escape, or 1 low and 1 high, and then escape. All right, it's going to look like this. Do a low high. Oh, and then a, oh, and then, okay. Now do a high low. Oh, and then a, ow, and then a. Does anybody have an idea why I'm doing this? What's that? Okay. Oh, yeah, for sure. Yeah. Okay. 1 strike is not really going to be enough. That's the main thing. You're really going to have to get them twice, because the first one's probably just going to make them mad. Go ahead, Michael, grab me. And my first one may not be super strong either. Like, he's got me, oh crap, now I've got time. I'm going to make that one really hard, okay? And get out. So you're going to get in with the first one and then really wind up with the next one, because you got a second.
Yeah, and they're thinking about, oh, they just hit me in the face, and they're not thinking about, oh, she's going to come back and hit me down here.
Okay, that's
or
the
vice
second
versa.
part.
You're keeping
So-
them off balance mentally,
Yes,
as
yes.
well as hopefully pull them off balance
You're doing
physically.
2 because you need to, and you're doing them on different planes because it's really hard to think in 2 places at once. You will find it challenging to do this. The person who's attacking you will find it much more challenging to deal with. That's what Claire just said. As soon as I'm dealing with this, go ahead, bam, now don't hit me again. This is what hurts. This is where I'm coming back. I have no idea this is coming. Oh, that's coming.
And he let go. I don't even have to
I
do
let go. So when the grab comes on, do 1 high and 1 low, or 1 low and 1 high. Go.